Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee and I am back with another video. Alright, so we're just gonna hop right into this video. So I went ahead and pre-straightened my hair off camera, or attempted to, y'all. Peep the growth, okay? Peep the growth. So the hair brand I'm going to be using today is the Outre Pretty Quick brand. I'm going to be using their side swoop bang that I got at my local beauty supply store, and also their Nisha Quick Ponytail. I will list all links below. And yeah, ladies, so let's get into this video. So the products I'm going to be using today is some Shine and Jam Spritz and the Hair Temptation in the color dark brown. So I started off the hairstyle by parting half of the heart, so one side at a time. I just definitely thought it was easier to do that, and I'm using the pointy end of my comb to do that. Okay, so I went ahead and parted one side. Now I'm going to just be doing the same thing to the other. Ladies, you'll see in this video I was going to do a swoop, but I ended up doing a bang. I highly suggest if you do a bang, make your heart a little bit smaller than I did. If you're going to do a side swoop, this will be perfect. But if you're doing a bang, make the heart a little smaller, so then that way you'll have more form of a bang, if that makes sense. So once I got the heart parted, now I'm just going to be taking a scrunchie and a clip and just moving that hair out of the way so we can mold the rest of the hair down. Once I got the hair clipped out of the way, now I'm just going to be going and combing out the pieces that I want to be my baby hair, so then that way they won't get caught up in the molded hairs. Now to mold the rest of the ponytail, I'm going to be taking some Shine and Jam and my edge brush, and I'm just going to be applying that and laying all that hair down. I found this method to be easier doing it section by section. Now, once I got the hair molded, I'm just going to be taking some spritz and just making sure all that hair is laid and slayed, honey. Now, for all my girls with the thin edges and thin hair, this step is for you, honey, okay? This step is for us, okay? So you're just going to be taking that Kiss Temptation spray and just going to be filling in all of the holes and areas where you're lacking a little bit of hair. Yes, honey. Hat, tip, trick. Definitely use this spray. I love this spray. Definitely makes all my ponytail looks full. And this is the construction of the ponytail. One comb at the top, one comb at the bottom, and of course the elastic band or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to be go ahead and installing that ponytail with just putting the first comb at the top in and then the bottom comb. And then I'm just going to be taking that adjustable or elastic band and wrapping that around my ponytail. Now I'm just going to be taking a piece of hair and wrapping it around the top of the ponytail just to hide all the seams. Now I'm going to be taking some edge control and I'm just going to be swooping down my baby hairs. Now time for the bangs. So I'm just going to start by parting off a section of hair where I'm going to clip the bang at. For the construction of the bang, it has 3 combs, one on each side and one at the top of it. So I'm just going to install the bang by wiggling the combs onto my hair and closing them. Definitely very secure. Didn't slide, didn't do anything. I love the way this bang looked. It mixed perfectly with my hair. Okay, definitely go to the store and get you this. Is very quick, very easy, very affordable. Definitely do it. Okay, all right, let's continue to watch the rest of the video. Okay, so I wanted my swoop to be pretty full or my bang to be pretty full. So I ended up went ahead and buying 2 other clip swoop bangs. So that's what you'll be seeing me install here. Definitely made my hair very thick and blended very, very well. So I definitely loved these clip-on bangs. Once I got the bang installed and decided that I'm going to wear it as a bang and not like a side swoop, I went ahead and cut some of the end pieces off just so it can lay a little bit more better. Now in this clip you'll see me trying to finesse the bang a little bit more. This is when I decided that I'm going to wear it as a bang and I thought it was just super cute. So yeah, definitely a have to, a must try. Definitely listen to all the tips. I would have definitely made my heart smaller if I knew I was going to do a bang, but yeah. Thank you, ladies, for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come to my channel. See you next video.